Lord, I'm coming home. This music I played today, I heard the message entitled The Seal of God. That many people are not sealed with the seal of God by receiving the mark beast in their forehead, in their hands. In their forehead, the bad thoughts, the bad thinkings, the bad words, the bad minds, they think about others, thinking about bad works, dirty works, and with the hands, they do the dirty works, dirty things, the things which are not accepted in the sight of God. All this includes the mark of the beast. And I too feel sometimes due to the enjoyment, entertainment of this world, I do feel that I have received the mark of beast. But nevertheless, God is so powerful, so gracious, that till now He kept me alive and He's opened the door of salvation to receive the mark of God. And therefore, I cried, I prayed to God, asked forgiveness, and played this music to remember that I'm far from God and I need to come to God, not only come, but spend time with God, be with God every second, every moment. Therefore, I want to play this music. Lord, I'm coming home.